Hello kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Orange color, blue color, yellow color, pink color, green color, black color, light green color, red color, purple color, sky blue color, brown color, and violet color. Green color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. Sky blue color. Kids, this is letter B. Now we are tracing letter C. Kids, this is letter D. Kids, we are tracing letter E. This is letter F. Now kids, we are tracing letter G. This is letter H. Now we are tracing letter I. This is letter J. K. Kids, we are tracing letter L. Orange color. This is letter M. Pink color. Kids, we are tracing letter N. Now we are tracing letter O. Kids, this is letter P. This is letter Q. Kids, we are tracing letter R. This is letter S. This is letter T. U. This is letter V. W. X. This is letter Y. Letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.